Marcus Crassus's life story explained in 1 minute. Did you know the richest man in ancient Rome died because of the one thing money couldn't buy him? Marcus Crassus was born around 115 BC into a wealthy Roman family. He grew even richer through shrewd property deals, silver mines, and slave trading, eventually amassing a fortune worth billions in today's money. He became the financial backbone of Rome, funding the careers of both Julius Caesar and Pompey. In 60 BC, the three men formed the First Triumvirate, a political alliance that quietly controlled the Roman Republic. But while Caesar had military glory and Pompey had battlefield legend, Crassus had only gold. That gap ate at him. At 62, against every warning, he launched a military invasion of Parthia, desperate to prove himself as a general. It was a disaster. In 53 BC at the Battle of Carrhae, his army was crushed and Crassus was killed. Legend says the Parthians poured molten gold down his throat. The richest man in the world, destroyed by wanting more than wealth could ever give him.